Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. In this tutorial, we're going to find out how to bulk delete WooCommerce orders at the same time. Deleting multi-orders altogether at the same time is simply possible in WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin in two steps. First, filtering orders using filter form, and then deleting orders by clicking on the delete button. Alright, so let's go through these steps together. The first thing you have to do is, well, obviously filter the orders. This incredible feature of our plugin helps you to filter the orders you need to remove exactly according to your requirements. Just like we explain in how to filter orders in WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin, you have access to all orders fields in the filter form. So filtering the orders you need is not going to be that much of a complicated thing. For example, consider that we need to remove all orders with their shipping country being Australia, for example. First, we need to filter those orders, so open filter form from the main page, and then go to shipping tab, and then click on the combo box in front of shipping country, and choose Australia from the list, and then go ahead and click on Get Orders. Here you can see that the orders are filtered. Now it's time to delete multi-orders. If you want to delete multi-orders, you need to mark the checkbox next to ID in order to select all of the filtered orders. As soon as you mark those orders, the delete button will appear at the top of the main page. And if you click on it, you'll see these options: move to trash and permanently. Both of them will remove the orders from the WooCommerce orders. However, there is a slight difference between them, and we're gonna use them both so you can see what the difference is exactly. So first, we're gonna use the move to trash option. If you choose move to trash for removing those filtered orders, all of the deleted orders will be moved to the WooCommerce trash. Now, it doesn't mean that they're removed completely from your database, so should you need them anytime in the future, they'll be just available in the trash page of WooCommerce orders, and you can restore them to your order table. You can have access to the trash page by clicking on the trash tab on the top of the order table, as soon as removing some orders by choosing the move to trash option. So if you've used the move to trash option but now you want those orders back, you can just go to the trash tab on the top of the order table. You can select the orders you want back in this table and just click on restore. And if you want to delete them permanently, you can click on empty trash. Delete permanently will obviously remove those filtered orders forever from your database, and you won't have access to them anymore, which means you can't restore them either.